you can only reclaim your heart. Again, if you like the idea heart, you can only reclaim your heart by deconstructing your mind. And deconstructing the mind is stepping back from all the identification that you have in you right now. So make a habit of doing the self-inquiry every day, and that builds up your practice, that fuels you. Self-inquiry will help you to make your life better in the relative sense. Your life becomes simple. And also, that simplicity prepares you further, supports you further to go all the way to see the truth. Okay? So, that's the journey. So again, if you're confused with the idea, listen to your heart reference. It simply means reclaim the truth. You cannot listen to your heart. No. You cannot listen to your heart. Because you are the heart. You are the heart. And that itself is a consciousness. And to reclaim the heart, you have to dissolve all that is false in you. And what is false is your mind and its byproduct, which is the emotional entanglement and psychological entanglement. How to reclaim the heart? Dismantle, 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 dismantle. That's all. Dismantle all the way until nothing is left in you. And then ask yourself, who am I? And when you ask, who am I? That's where you make it click. And if you don't make it click, that means you haven't dismantled your layers in yourself. You're holding on to the layers. Your approach is biased right now, not thorough. The enlightenment journey is about being thorough, dismantling every attachment in you until you get to the truth. Okay? I hope this video makes sense to you. Yeah. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.